Setting up two-factor authentication on Instagram helps you secure your account by requiring code along with your password when logging in from new device. This video is a step-by-step guide on how you can secure your Instagram app with two-factor authentication. First, you need to go to Instagram profile, click on these three top right corner lines and click on the setting privacy. Here you can see the account center option, tap on it. After tapping on the account center, you have to see on password and security, then click on the two-factor authentication and select your desired Instagram account from the list. Make sure authentication app is selected and click next. Here Instagram will tell you how to add key or authentication app. Click copy. Now without fully closing Instagram, open your Google Authenticator app and click on plus sign at the bottom right corner and enter your setup key and account and click on add. After that, you can go again on Instagram, click on next, and now Instagram will prompt you to enter a code from your authenticator app. Reopen your Google Authenticator and copy the code and paste it. Here you can click on next, and then your two-factor authentication is on. This way you can secure your Instagram account and you will already be very secured from the hackers that nobody can access your account without your permissions. You'll have two-factor authentication. You'll get 2x code when logging in from new devices. This way hackers will least likely attempt to hack your account, and I'll see you in the next one.